It is a KaiBot. I'm so excited. I feel filled with joy again. I can't wait to teach robotics and teach coding to little children again. It's like a breath of fresh air. Oh, thank you, KaiBots. This is amazing. Did you know KaiBots are as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, and 18? It's Daddy's KaiBots with our friendly Heffalump. How cute is he? He helps with digital literacy. I love the concept of this. Not only that, but we get to learn about right turns, moving forward, left turns, going backwards, and loops, and much, much more. So stay tuned. We're going to check out the KaiBot. Are we ready? Let's go check out our KaiBots. This is going to be fun. KaiBots utilize cards to make him move in all of his directions. Look at how beautifully these cards work together. They are designed to flow just like a sentence, like sentence structure for a robot. Once we design our sentence structure, we use our KaiBot to scan the cards, so he knows exactly what he's doing, and it tells him to move. And he moves and executes what we say perfectly. Look at him. He's on his way to make it to the llamas, and there he goes. That was screen-free. We can do all of our coding screen-free. However, sometimes kids need to know how to do some work on the screen as well. Watch this. Whether you want the kids to learn screen-free or with the use of a computer or a tablet, Kai's Education has it all for you. KaiBots are multifunctional and a fresh way to unlock coding.